Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix DirectX 12 error in Marvel Rivals. Alright, the first thing that you need to do here is to go ahead and go to your search bar and type in System Updates. Once you're in here, go ahead and click on System Settings, wait for it to load, click for Check for Updates. If you have available updates here, just go ahead and install those, alright, just like here with mine. Go ahead and install it. Once done, restart your computer, boot up the game and see if it helps. Now if that still won't work, just go ahead and go to your search bar again, type in Device Manager, click on this one right here, locate Display Drivers, click on your respective graphics card, right click on it, update driver, search automatically for drivers. Alright, once done, restart your computer, launch the game again and see if it helps. Now if that won't work, update your graphics card drivers from its software. Alright, I am using an NVIDIA graphics card, so I'm going to go ahead and open the NVIDIA app. If you have Intel or AMD, look it up online on how to install your graphics drivers. Alright, going back to NVIDIA, I'm going to Drivers tab right here and make sure that you have installed the latest drivers. If you have installed the drivers before and you're still facing the problem, just go ahead and try to reinstall it, as the past update might have gotten the issue. After that, restart the computer, launch the game again and see if it helps. Now if that still won't work, open up your favorite browser, type in DirectX and hit on enter. Once done, click on the first link right here, which is from Microsoft itself, which says DirectX and User Runtime Web Installer. Click on it and hit on the big blue button right here. A download page will pop up. Go ahead and download it. Once done, open up the installer. After the installation is done, restart your computer, launch the game again and see if it helps. Now if that still won't work, go ahead and open up your Steam app. Hover your mouse right here at the top left and click on Steam. Go to Settings, go to the Downloads tab. Here in the Clear Download Cache, simply hit on Clear Cache right here. It might take some time, so patiently wait. After that, don't launch the game yet. Alright, go ahead and click on the game, right click on it, Properties, go to Installed Files and simply hit on Verify Integrity of Game Files. After that, don't launch the game yet. Again, click on the game, right click on it, hit on Properties. In here in the Generals tab, type in -DX11. Alright, after that, close this one, play the game from here and it should work. Now if none of the workaround helps, your GPU or graphics card might be the problem. And why is that? When we go to our store page, alright, then go to system requirements. It says here the DirectX version must be 12 and your graphics card might not be able to handle DirectX 12. Alright, as you can see here in the minimum requirements, the minimum graphics card right here is the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060, an AMD RX 580 or an Intel Arc A320. If the model of your graphics card is below, that is the main reason why you are getting the issue. Alright, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.